Bobby Lewis here with the Lewis team at Remax by the Lake, and we're at the Preserve at Kiowa, on Kiowa in Lake Havasu City. And I'm going to show you a lovely, wonderful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo here at what I think is one of the most modern and new style condominium communities in Lake Havasu City. It really feels like you're in Scottsdale or somewhere in Orange County, California. Modern construction and great clubhouse that I'm going to show you here in a minute. And before we go looking any further, why don't you take a look up at the sky? I'm going to throw the drone up, fly it around like I normally do, and give you a good aerial look. We'll see you in a minute. First thing you're going to notice here, and stick with me till the end because we're going to show you the full clubhouse here with pool and spa that's directly across from number 105. And one of the neat things about number 105, it has a garage, it has covered carport parking, and look at this entrance. First floor, easy in and out. That's your garage door, and that's your condo. Take a peek in the garage here first. Water heater, soft water, and opener. So both cars get covered parking with the carport and the garage. And you can see, just look around, the place is immaculate. The grounds, and this condo in particular, it almost feels like I'm walking into a brand new place. And it's very quiet inside here. Lots of little extra. You can see up under here has the under counter lighting. Cabinetry looks virtually brand new. Desk area here where you could use nice modern fixtures. And it has a great little patio area here. And really nobody's gonna walk back there, so it's very private because that's the wall between the street and then the interior of the community. So very private feel. Call this the master bedroom or the primary bedroom. It also has access to the patio there. Can't really find a nail hole or anything in the walls. Looks like it was just brand new paint. And this master bath, look at how big it is. I'm gonna get embarrassed in a moment. Just jetted tub, the shower. But even in a condominium, my wife would say closet envy, because this is bigger. As you know, if you watch our videos, we don't have a walk-in. We got a big walk-in. Just immaculate condition. And the location location is really, really good too. Both the location in the community, as you're gonna see when we walk across to the clubhouse, but also the location on Kiowa, because you can just drop right down Kiowa and be on the highway really quickly. This is bathroom 2. A little extras, you can see the under lighting down below. Indoor laundry. And bedroom 2, or if you're a couple, this could be your office. It also has kind of a pseudo mini walk-in. You can step in here. Nice fixtures, and the preserve, even the windows are oversized, especially for a condo where the builder could have shortchanged on certain things. Really nice. And has a Nest thermostat in here. And before we step out, oh, good sized coat closet. Just give you one more quick peek through here. Living, kitchen with breakfast bar. It's just really well done. And so nice how when you walk out here, you can either walk right to your carport or your garage. And what I like, if you're an entertainer, inside the community, you're right across from the pool. So you could be way down there or way up there, and you wouldn't be able to walk right across here to the club. I mean, it would be not as convenient, obviously. Come on, Bobby, sometimes I say some silly things. But it wouldn't be as convenient. And what really impresses me, anyone watching from like the Orange County area of California, back in the day when me and Julie were younger, I managed apartments for the Irvine Company and things like that. This is what it reminds me of. It's just so immaculately maintained. Spa and pool. Some people live in mansions, their pool's further away from the house than this is to that condo, so it's super neat in that way. And you come up here, nice barbecue area and kind of palapa or covered area. Everything, you can just tell how that pride of ownership by the way the signage. And again, the condo is right there. That'd be your spot to park. And lots of uplighting. I mean, this has to be beautiful at night as well. And I'll show you last but not least the clubhouse and gym. You'd have your own key, of course, as an owner. Neat workout area with television and weights, and as you can see here, overlooking the pool. That's not a bad place to work out, actually. And then looks like community bulletin board there for the preserve. Bathrooms and the ladies' room there. And then if I would imagine you can reserve this from the community or just come and use it as you like. Big, beautiful clubhouse. I mean, really, really nice. And what looks like a boardroom here, and they have tables, I'm sure, so if you had some kind of community event. Well, this is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team at Remax by the Lake. Love to show you this property or any other property here in Lake Havasu City. Look at this, even a mini kitchen. If you like these videos, we'd love to have you like and subscribe. It not only helps us grow our channel, it helps the seller by getting it out to the public in general. And if you're looking for property, we try to make these interesting videos that give you a good idea of what you get for in Lake Havasu City for the money. And it is paradise. This is late October. It's got to be about 80 degrees. Palm trees and paradise, as I say. We'll see you on the next one. And by the way, if you're looking to sell a home or just get a valuation on a home or condo in the area, check out in the comments below and you can put in your address and I'll send you a complete market analysis of your property. Usually within 24 hours, me and Julie will put it together, a custom report, and we'd love to do that for you. We hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon in Lake Havasu. Have a great day, guys.